Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of His Excellency Mr. Imran Mirza, Acting High Commissioner of Pakistan, and his staff, I formally welcome you on the occasion of Pakistan's Defence Day. This day marks when in 1965, young Pakistani nation stood up to defend her sovereignty and independence against far bigger aggression neighbor, India. On 6 September 1965, an open war was forced onto us when Indian forces crossed into Pakistan's international border with clear intent of overrunning Pakistan and establishing physical hegemony forever. This was not to happen. Our armed forces and civil defense stood to scared call to fight and defied all odds to defend their motherland. They fought with not only exemplary courage, but wrote a new chapter in military history of professional excellence. Though this 5-week war was fought on Kashmir issue, but in the end it meant to protect our homeland. As a result of unprecedented valor displayed by our civil and military forces and their successes against Indian forces, United Nations had to mandate a ceasefire. Most nations in their history of existence have to defend their right to exist against adversaries. These moments become milestones for a nation. These milestones are ever remembered and ever celebrated, like we are celebrating today the Defence Day of Pakistan. Now, over a period of time, 6 September is also observed not only to acknowledge the gallantry of our uniformed personnel in September War, but as a day of remembrance to all of our martyrs, civilians and military who offered their life to defend the country at all times. Today, in addition to long-standing conventional threats, Pakistan is confronted with threats from terrorists and militants since Pakistan became part of the global efforts against terrorism and extremism. Our country has been suffering the worst consequences. Perpetrators of the terror are not bound by constitutions, civil rights, and norms of moral responsibilities. Their aim is to defy and degrade the right of the state and, above all, the rights and legitimacy of international law. That's why we see immense global efforts to contain this. War against terrorism is today's war. This demands the same resolve which we demonstrated in 6 September 1965. When we fought our war together and every citizen became a symbol of defense against aggression. On this day each year, while we celebrate our military prowess, we salute our people. It's a day of remembrance, it's a day of thanksgiving. Let's repeat our resolve to defend ourselves against aggression, extremism, terror, and forces of evil. Now I would request His Excellency Mr. Imran Mirza to address, followed by Colonel Zulfikar, who would give a brief insight on Pakistan's ongoing efforts for peace and stability. Thanks, sir.